In this video, I'm going to show you how to do branded drop-shipped packaging with PrintsWell Fulfillment. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Laney. I'm a wedding invitation designer and I love to teach people how to design invitations and run successful creative businesses. My favorite printer to use for wedding invitations is PrintsWell Fulfillment. If you haven't used them before, check out all the videos on my channel and use my link to get $25 off your first order. Now, I love PrintsWell's quality, but sometimes I don't have time to wait for the products to get to me and then send them to my clients, or sometimes I don't want to have to pay for double shipping if it's something that PrintsWell can fully do for me. They can assemble liners, they can punch holes, they can fold things, they can do a lot so that you may find that you have some orders you can send directly to the clients without ever having to do any assembly on your own. For instance, here's an order that I recently did with them, and they die cut this, they cut out the liners, they printed the addresses, and they assembled the liners into the envelopes for me. And I was able to drop ship that directly to the client, but I still want to make it look like it came from me, so they're not like, what is this completely random package? So that's where the branded packaging comes in. The first thing that we'll have to do is order the branded packaging, and then I'm actually visiting Printwell next week, so I'm going to show you exactly what happens with this on the back end when you order it. So what I've created here is a little note card saying thank you, a 2-inch sticker to go on the outside of the package saying wedding happy mail, and then a 2-inch sticker to go on each individual piece of the order inside the package that says designed by Laney. So I'm going to save these out as PDFs directly to Printwell's specifications. The main thing you need to do is make sure you outline all your fonts, and then make sure you have bleeds, meaning any of your designs that go to the edge of the page actually go at least 1/8 of an inch off the page in either direction. I have some other videos on ordering with them if you're new to bleeds and things like that. And then we're going to delete this little circle because we don't want to print that black line. We just want our design. And I'll save these out. We've got our outside sticker. That was artboard 1. When I'm saving things, I like to uncheck preserve Illustrator editing capabilities because it'll make it smaller. And then we want to make sure there is a 0.125 bleed on all 4 sides. Then we'll do our inside sticker. There are a couple of limitations on what different products you can use. You can't just get 15 different stickers, but they have those on the website. If you click need help in the corner, you'll be able to grab it. So now that we have these saved as PDFs, let's go into Printwell and order. So I'm going to click start order, and you want to order all your branded packaging on one order by itself, and I'll show you why in a second. So first we'll do our flat card, and it's going to be a 4-bar size. I really love the 120 eggshell ultra white for my invitations, but for something like this, I might go with the 100 pound. It's a little thinner, but it's not meant to be anything, and that's going to be a tad cheaper. So let's do 100 of each one. I'm assuming I'm going to be drop shipping up to 100 orders. It's going to be great. And we will attach the card to this. Looks beautiful. I find this preview is always a tad blurry, and that's okay. That doesn't have any bearing on the actual product. Now, I don't need to do die cutting or hole drilling or anything on this card, and I don't want envelopes for this card either. So I will just add it to cart, and then we'll do these stickers. So let's do this round and select the 2-inch round, and I'll do 120. We can't do 100. Because they come in packs of 40, which is okay. We'll do our inside sticker, and they'll need more of these as well because the outside sticker, they only need 1 per box, and the inside sticker, they might need multiple if there's multiple options. We'll select 2-inch round, 120 again, and we'll do our outside sticker. All right, beautiful. And we'll add that to cart as well. So we have 100 of our card and 120 of each sticker on here. And I'm actually gonna make a little memo. So card goes inside each box. Yellow sticker goes on each product. Blue sticker goes on outside of box. Just a little bit of instruction for them to keep in mind so they know what to do with these. And then I'll select, instead of the shipping method, I'll just click this for branded packaging, keep in Printwell packing department, and they will be able to do that. And we don't have to do anything else. And then we'll just submit that order, and I will show you what happens on the back end once we submit it. Right now, how do we use that branded packaging? I have another order here that I have placed. So we have an invitation card. We have some cool blue envelope liners with the liners attached. This has Printwell doing the liner assembly for me. We have an RSVP card and this little given with love sticker. So we have everything for this baby shower invitation ready to go. Printwell is going to do the assembly of the liners for me. So I don't have to do anything this order and I'm going to ship it directly to the client. So since I've already ordered all of that branded packaging on the back end, all I have to do is just select a custom ship to address. And anytime I do a shipping address that is not my standard one on my account, then it's automatically going to flag that as a branded packaging order. They're going to put the stickers on, they're going to put the card inside, and that's going to go out to my client without me having to touch it at all. So come with me to visit Printwell in person and see what actually happens on the back end when we place orders like this and how the branded packaging works. Right, here I am at Printswell in Alabama. I got to see their whole production facility, which is incredible. I have a tour in a different video. But before we get into the branded packaging, the packaging folks are actually the people who do things like lining the envelopes for you. So here we go. Aria is lining these envelopes for us and getting them ready to go. Then once she's ready to go, she's going to package all of the different items individually. And you see on the right, my branding stickers and cards that are ready to go. So once she finishes packing every individual piece, she's going to put one of those yellow stickers on each piece so it looks like it came from Design by Laney. And then she'll put one of the cards on the inside that thanks them for their order and asks them for a review. And then she'll continue packaging the order just as she would for anyone else. Printwell does not put any of their branding in your packaging, so you don't have to worry about that. And once she's done finishing that up, she'll put one of the blue stickers on the outside with the shipping information. So this is how the final package will look. Here's that little card. And I didn't have to do a thing. Okay, oh my gosh, how fun was that? I hope you enjoyed traveling with me, seeing how this order comes together and seeing how we can get this branded packaging into all of our dropship packages. As a reminder, Printwell can do a lot of printing, they can do folding, they can assemble the liners for you like you saw in this video. And here's all of their new envelope colors that they offer. This is not even 100% of them. This is just the pointed flap ones because that's what I use in my business, but they have so many great offerings that it's really easy to dropship with them directly to your clients, especially if you use the branded packaging to make it look like it came directly from you. So let me know what questions you have. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. And if you haven't used Printwell before, please use my link or tell them Laney sent you for $25 off your first order.